Today we're going to be going over addition of two-digit numbers using word problems. I'm going to go through 3 problems, one for each stage of the CRA sequence: concrete, representational, and abstract. For the concrete stage, I'm going to be using toothpicks for manipulatives. One toothpick will mean 1, and then this bundle of toothpicks will mean 10. You can see when I take off the rubber band that I have 10 toothpicks inside it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And when we bundle them back together, I have 10 altogether. Let's look at our first problem. Mary went to the bookstore to buy some books. She found a history book for $14. She also found a comic book for $21. How many dollars are her books total? This is a join or a combination problem. We have 2 quantities that are going to combine together to make an end quantity. How many dollars are her books total? Her first quantity is $14. The second quantity is $21. We need to find out what's in there. So for our first number, I'm going to draw a table to help us arrange our manipulatives. These are 2-digit numbers, which means we're going to have a ones place and a tens place to show us how many ones and tens we have. In the first number, 14, we have 4 ones and we have 1 10. Let's look at our second number. Ones, tens. We have 1, 1, and we have 2 tens. If we move these over, we can kind of see them in our problem structure. We have 14 and 21, and we're going to combine them to see how many we have total. When we combine them, count up our ones. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Count up our tens. 1, 2, 3. So all together, up in our combined part, we have 30, 10, 20, 30, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Or 35. Let's look at the next problem. This one we will do in the representational phase. Derek had 36 stickers to decorate his binder. His friend Garrett gave him 12 more. How many stickers does Derek have now to decorate his binder? This is a change problem. He had 1 quantity at the beginning. Someone gave him some more and changed his quantity, and we need to find out what the end quantity is now. So he started out with 36, and his friend gave him 12 more. 12 more, and I'm going to put a plus sign here to say that he added it, and that was the manner of change. So if we were going to represent this, I'm going to draw us another table. We have 2-digit numbers, which means we have ones, and we also have tens. For the first number, we have 6 ones. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And we have 3 tens, or 30. 1, 2, 3, 10, 20, 30. In the second number, this was 36. In the second number, 12, we have 1, 2 ones, and 1 10. Just for fun, we're going to draw the algorithm over there. If we're going to combine these, I'll go ahead and make an answer sheet. For our answer, in the ones, we are going to have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 total. And if we add the tens together, we'll have 1, 2, 3, 4 tens. 1, 2, 3, 4. If we're going to put this into numbers, this is 40, and this is 8. 40 plus 8 is 48. So our answer, the total that he ended up getting for stickers for his binder, 36 plus 12 is 48. Let's do one that's just the algorithm. Ella had a bag of marbles. There were 12 red marbles and 41 black marbles. How many marbles did she have in there in the bag? This is a part-whole problem. We have two different parts. Part is in 12 red marbles, and the other part is in 41 black marbles, but they are all part of a whole or a total, and that's what we're going to try and find. So if we look at what our parts are, we have one part here, we have 12 red marbles. So that's one part. And I'm going to put an R for red. And we have 41 black marbles, that's the other part. 41, I'll put a B for black. And this whole is what we are trying to find. If we do this as an algorithm, we can do 12 plus 41. We have 2 in the ones place and 1 in the ones place. 2, 3. 3 ones in our answer. If we have 1 in the tens place, we can say this is 110, or we could just say this is 10. We could do 1 10 plus 4 10 is 5 tens. We could also say that 10 plus 40 is 50. I like 10 plus 40 is 50 better because it tends to represent what it means. This means 10, this means 40, and this means 50. 53 is our answer. She had 53 marbles total in her bag.